the fuck you doing now? Get your fucking fat hands out of my way.
Hey, everybody.
Was that on camera?
Oh my God, we just got out of Walmart and the weather has took a significant turn for the worst. So I figured I'd do a video getting out of here. And man, my allergies are killing me right now. Because they were already killing me, but with all this wind, because all this stuff you see in the sky is wildfire smoke and dirt.
Why is it so dark on your phone?
I don't know.
You don't have your brightness up?
No, I don't ever turn my brightness up.
Then why do you always yell at me when my brightness is at 50 and you're like, I can't even see it?
I don't know. Excuse me. Oh, good old allergies, man. Allergies and road construction. Yeah, it's really windy.
I'm in the wrong lane.
I don't know if it shows it on camera, but the car is shaking. Yeah, I was telling my wife about this TikTok video I saw. And this guy was like, I wonder how many concussions we as kids have lived through by our parents just telling us to walk it off. And it was funny because the comments were like, you know, at least 1, 3, 5, 10. And what did you just say?
Oh, my Lego?
Yeah.
I fell off my dad's office chair face first into a Lego when I was like 3 or 4, and they just pulled it out and put a Band-Aid on it because we didn't have insurance. You know.
Walk it off.
I still have a tiny scar if you look for it. I know where to look. I still have it. It was more prominent, or like 20 years ago, but.
Yeah, we've all got those stories.
Or all the times I wiped out in the driveway because our driveway was all broken, gravel and shit. And I'd have rocks sticking out of my knees. And they'd be like, just dust it off. Here's a just dust it off. Here's some peroxide. You're good.
Or that Mirachrome stuff that was like red.
What? Huh?
I'm going to have to show you it. I guarantee people watching this know exactly what I'm talking about.
Mirachrome?
That Mirachrome, it was red and it had like a little glass wand and you would dip it on it and it was like some kind of weird antiseptic stuff. It was a little
like
bit
iodine?
Yeah, but
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't think.
It was in a little glass bottle about this big. It probably did nothing. Or it was found out to cause cancer and they stopped it.
Like everything.
Well, everything in the state of California causes cancer. It's the one that they haven't canceled their governor because he definitely causes cancer. And yes, there's road construction everywhere in Mesa.
Yep, even in front of our apartment now.
Yep.
I forgot.
You can't drive any major street
without running into it
in Mesa without
there's some of that like stuff. Not insulin.
Insulin.
Not insulin. Installation.
Insulation, not installation.
What?
Installation's when you install something. That's insulation.
Whatever. Everybody knew what I was talking about.
No.
Pinkerton.
Like I always say, God doesn't know what you're talking about. He's all like, listen, bro, I brought her to Arizona. I made her find you. I made her trick you into marrying her.
I didn't trick nothing. I didn't want to get married. When I was a kid, I was like, I'm not getting married. I'm not having kids.
So the whole video of you showing me your big boobs.
I'm sure there's a lot of people in America that have seen my boobs. I'm just saying. I can name at least 5 or 6.
5 or 6.
Not including you.
You've lived such a sheltered life.
I'm just kidding. It's probably more than that. I just don't know their names. Damn it, we can't turn left.
No.
Stupid face. Why did we move here?
Because
I know why, but stupid Mesa.
No, with our fucking neighbor doing this. That night that we had the flood and we were all hanging out, I asked the neighbor guy what he did for work. And he's like, I work in construction. We come to find out, he's working for the company that's doing this. And I was like, oh my God, my wife's gonna end you, because this is pissing her off. Because she'll find one way to work in the morning.
There's multiple ways to work, but
and then that Save My Home.
I'll change it.
Now it's got construction on.
I drive through the neighborhoods now. I drive 64th Street through a neighborhood.
But what they're doing here, I don't know if it's showing up on camera over here to the right. They're putting in new main sewer system.
Oh my God.
You're gonna have to turn that way to go that way.
Now or just drive through a parking lot.
But yeah, this is freaking nuts.
Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Start up.
Like, I didn't even know that it was supposed to be doing this 2 a day. And, I follow a Phoenix, Arizona weather page on Facebook, and everybody was asking, like, what the hell? And normally that group can because we don't get a whole lot of weather, so whenever we do have weather, like say it's a 20% chance of rain, a month out, everybody's like, oh, it's gonna rain on Tuesday a month from now. Whoa, hang on everybody. Oh no. I'm about to take that clip out, stick it on the
I wasn't even driving that fast, you little pussy.
Oh.
I turn much faster when you're not in here.
And that's why we've had to replace the tires on the car.
Nuh-uh, they're old.
Nuh-uh.
Our tires, the three that we have over 50,000 miles on them. And you know that.
And you know this, man.
I don't know where I'm at. I'm just taking the scenic route.
Well, I'm sure we have to go that way.
I know. That's where I'm going. Mind your business.
That house is a cool color.
What, the blue? Or that ugly red and white one?
No, the blue one. Like all these houses are like, let's paint a house 16 different shades of beige or white.
That's a weird ass fan. Didn't have any back doors.
We are rolling through a neighborhood. If you're wondering why all these houses look the same,
that's what they all look like here.
It's stucco. And I will say it in this video like I've answered it several times. Vinyl siding will melt in the sun here in Phoenix.
There's a pool.
So
it will melt?
Yeah, it will, with the sun shining on it when it's 100 and, Satan's butt crack hot, it will melt.
Huh. I don't really know where I'm at now. There's no street sign.
We're here.
Shut up.
I always like those signs. You are here. Well, where is here?
Yeah.
Yeah, vinyl siding will absolutely melt here.
Why is my mirror all fucked up? How do I get my mirror back out?
Probably just roll the window down, push it out.
Fucking mirror. Oh, I think it got all fucked up when we got banged up by that cart that you wouldn't put away.
Fuck that cart.
I told you, put it away.
Whoa, 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 whoa. He's
I'm braking. Whoa, 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 whoa. My brakes are wrong. I still don't know where I'm at. I got all turned around. Well, this is Val Vista, so let's just figure it out.
You probably gotta go that way.
Well, I don't fucking know.
Oh. I don't even know how Shell gas station stays open.
Because they sell drugs out the back.
They absolutely must. Because gas right now in Arizona is like $3.80, $3.85 a gallon. Well, you just saw that Shell gas station, like $4.19 a gallon.
Oh yeah, some Circle K's are still $4.19 too.
Well, those are Shell Circle K's.
Oh.
And it's like, you never see no one there, and gas doesn't last forever. We're on.
My gas does.
God.
Going the wrong way.
That's what I told you.
This is brown.
Your job's right over there.
Yeah, like 2 more miles that way. We'll be at work. I knew I was going the wrong way because I noticed I know where I'm at. I know the buildings.
So here's a tour of Mesa, everybody. And that's what I'm probably going to title this video.
Oh, and they can't see it, but there's a lion over there holding a basketball.
Well, we're going to have to film that one day. Oh, it's election time. Look at all the election signs.
Scott Smith, Olson for State House. Adams. Rich
I
Adams.
don't care.
I know where I'm at.
All these people are like, oh, I'm going to represent them. Put these signs up everywhere. But, know this, everyone. You go and mess with one of those signs, it's election interference. big time. Because they were messing with Carrie Lake signs. And she caught some of them. And they are currently in the big house. No matter how much you hate someone's campaign sign, you are not allowed to mess with them. And look at all the fruit trees.
Yeah, because that's a citrus thing. What do they call it? Nursery or something?
An orchard.
Damn.
That would be an orchard.
That's where my physical therapist is. I got a therapist, everybody.
A therapist. Now, let me tell you guys something. Spell out the word therapist. THERAPIST. The rapist. And this is why my nose is just like, I'll be useless for the rest of the day. Because I went outside with everything in Arizona in bloom. Like if it's got a flower on it, it's flowering right now.
Well, you were the one crying, I have no food. I ate tomatoes for breakfast.
Because there is no food.
Yeah, there is. I got food.
Well, if I eat your food, I will probably die.
There's cauliflower and quinoa. And
Yeah, cauliflower and quinoa.
and yogurt.
Ugh.
I don't eat that yogurt by itself, though. I put it on stuff. Back my tatas. Just kidding.
Wow. Wow.
YOLO! It was pink. Oh, there's a sign like playing in the street right there. I want to slow down a little bit. And then I go.
You are crazy.
Wait, you want me to put it on your tatas?
If you want to have all the hair.
Mine aren't hairy.
Oh, man. This road construction is...
Ma, look, no hands.
This would suck if you were a cab driver. Because people be griping because you're like going out of the way, but it's like, I can't make a turn.
Yeah.
I
physically cannot turn there.
It's either I can sit here and wait
Oh, well.
while the meters...
Now I'm in the way. Anybody behind me?
While the meter's running, or we can go around the block, which is still going to cost you the exact same. But it is windy. Okay, now we're going home.
Yeah, we just wanted to take the scenic route, show you guys all of the amazing...
See, I was wondering
scenery.
how long it was going to take for my wife to actually pull over and look it up on a map. It's like, there was one day we were driving into Walmart. That's like 3 miles away. And we've been in a car for like 20 minutes.
It wasn't 20 minutes. You're a little...
We were in South Gilbert. And we drove and drove and drove, and I'm like, I thought Walmart was closer than this. So we pulled over. Well, she pulled over, looked it up.
We we were like 5 miles past it.
Yeah, we were 5 miles past where we were supposed to go.
Oops. I knew we were past it because I started seeing all the strip mall that's down in Gilbert on that same route that I've been to. That's how I knew we went way too far. I was like, I think I went way too far. But
I knew we went too far because Walmart's about a cigarette smoking distance away.
It's 3 miles, I think.
Yeah, a cigarette smoking distance.
That one's 3 miles. And I think the other one is like 4.
Which people have said, that's a weird judge of distance.
Well, in Ohio we judge stuff by minutes, not miles. Like, how far is it? I don't know, like 12 minutes. 15 minutes. We don't judge it by miles. We say how long it takes us to get there. Well, which route did you take? There's a big old stick in the middle of the road. Should I check the mail? I haven't checked it like in a week.
Oh, yeah, probably. Probably.
There's a tree with purple flowers. Drive over faster so then my top go. What?
You're nuts.
No, they're tatas, not nuts.
Oh, jeez. All right, everybody. I'm gonna stop the video right there. You guys, if you watched this far. Definitely leave a thumbs up, and y'all are crazy in the comments. Because we are definitely crazy.
I'm not crazy. I'm sane.